Hi guys, my name is Prince. I'm a student studying in Faculty of Science, Mahidol University. Today, I join workshop Less Stress, More Joy of David. And the reason I'm being here in this workshop because I'm a person who always overthinking about what people think about me. Like, would they judge me from some situation that I did make mistake or something that I just did? And many times that I overthinking about all these things and make me feel tired. I'm struggling to make people change their mind to look exactly who I am, and yeah, it's really tired. But at the end, after I joined this workshop, I realized that actually I need to change things in my mind, not their mind. I found this workshop is really helpful for me to change the way I think of myself. Like whatever the other said, it doesn't matter that much when compared to what I think about myself. And I can reconsider many situations, like what thing that I do good, what thing that I can be better, I can make it better. And honestly, I really recommend you guys, the person who always think about what people think about you. I know sometimes you feel tired so much about this. You should join this workshop because it will really helpful for you. And you will be more joy to your life after you join this. So let's see how it's go. Thank you.